In this video, we'll be showing you how to install our Big Hitch Products 01 to 10 GM long box behind roll pan 2-inch receiver. First, you'll unhook the factory receiver hitch wiring. Then remove the factory receiver hitch bolts. Then once the bolts are removed, you can remove the factory receiver hitch. The factory mounting holes in the frame will need to be reamed out to 5/8 of an inch to accept the new hardware. Once the holes have been reamed out, the new hardware can be inserted. You can now remove the factory bumper by removing the 3 bolts on both sides. As well as the plug for the lights. Next, you will have to remove the junction block off of the rear cross member to flip it around to get it out of the way when you're cutting. Next, you will mark up 4 inches from the bottom of the rear cross member and 2 inches wide to create a box shape on the back. You will then have to either plasma cut, or you can also use a sawzall to cut out the slot in the rear cross member. After you have finished cutting, you can grind off any rough edges, and then paint any exposed metal. Now you can install the new receiver with the new hardware. Snug all bolts up first, then torque to 150 foot-pounds. Finally, you can secure wiring and attach the trailer plug for easy access when towing.